Nestdo, the natural refined bird's nests. The process is to produce the premium bird's nests drink. Our bird's nest is collected from the area around the coast of Ninh Thuận, Nha Trang, Con Hoa, where it has the great climate and abundant food sources, creating high-quality bird's nest. After being transported to our factory, the bird's nests are classified for cleaning treatment with purifier water system. In the meantime, they will be cleaned by removal of all the feathers, which is done by our professional and highly skilled staffs. This step is very important for distillation. This is a closed cycle of modern distillation, safe for quality assurance. Step 1. Sterilizing jars. All the jars are getting through the sterilization machine to be cleaned before filling ingredients in. Step 2. Filling the bird's nest and other ingredients. Step 3. Pouring water into jars. Step 4. Automatic capping process. This step ensures non-bacteria penetrate and avoid other impact from outside. Step 5. Putting product into a modern autoclave with assure and time for distillations. Step 6. Cooling time after distillation and recheck the finished product before labeling. Step 7. Labeling and packing product. With a modern bird's nest production line, Nestdo Bird's Nest ensures to bring the highest quality products to our consumers.